Hey Algebra 2, I'm going to start this video with a little plug here. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter if you want updates on what your homework assignments are, what the calendar changes might be, and reminders about quizzes, updates when videos get updated, things like that. Don't worry, I won't follow you back unless you ask me to, and I won't snoop around on your Twitter at all. At least any more than I would without you following me. Ha ha ha. Anyway, so the other thing is, if you want to follow me on Facebook for the same thing, just look for the group Mr. Pleasant's Algebra 2. Ask to join, and I will ask you within, I'll let you be on within 24 hours, and you'll be able to look. The calendar is uploaded there, and other links to various different things. I'll also be updating when I do videos on that website as well. Alright, so this problem says a lake measures 600 feet across. So we've got this lake, and it's 600 feet across. A lodge stands on one shore. So we'll put that lodge right here. It stands on one shore. From your point on the opposite shore, the angle of elevation to the top of the lodge is 4. So on the opposite shore, you're right here. Sorry, I'm a terrible person drawer. The angle of elevation is 4 degrees. How tall is the lodge? Okay, so we have this is 4 degrees. Now, technically in this problem, your height does make a difference. But because it's 600 feet across, the difference is negligible. Also, because it doesn't tell you what your height is, you can't. You have to just assume that we don't need to know it. Because I'm not going to give you any problems that you can't solve given the information. Alright, so we just have 4 degrees here. So that must be the angle we're going to use. Alright, so what we're trying to find is this height here, we'll call it x, which is across the triangle, meaning it's opposite. So it's opposite of that angle. And then we also know, we always have to have something we know, this length across is 600 feet. So this is the adjacent. Because it's not the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always across from the right angle, which is here. Alright, sorry if it's starting to look a little cluttered. Alright, so because we know opposite over adjacent, we know we're going to have to use tan. So the tangent of the angle, which is 4 degrees, is opposite x over adjacent 600. Alright, from here, this is actually one of those easy ones. All you have to do is you always multiply whatever's on the bottom, and this actually gets x by itself. So we have x is 600 times the tangent of 4 degrees. And that says 41.956. We could maybe round that to 41.96. So x equals 41.96. Make sure we have units on there. Oh, we were dealing with feet, and this is a length, so it must be feet. There we go, 41.96 feet.